Okay, so yes, we just started our new chapter which was biomolecule. In that we just discussed the organic carbon containing an element or anything in the living body that would be named as biomolecule. This was clear. Then this all would be studied in a field, the field named as biochemistry. In chemistry we do study that chemicals, and that chemicals, of course we cannot study chemicals which are placed in laboratories and used for chemistry purpose. Here we are studying bio. So if we will talk about the biochemistry, this means we can say here you are supposed to say biochemicals, not only chemicals, whereas biochemical, because when you are bio with that, this shows that this is living, not of course living, but this have a connection. This is something bond, not bond, but this give us idea that it would be together. Okay, then this chemistry, and yes, whenever you see the word bio, which tells that it's a part of bio, so it's a branch of biology, of course, branch of biology, and in this you will study chemicals, and that chemicals would not be the simple, but that would be chemicals which are biochemical. And if these are biochemicals, so we just say biochemicals which are called as biochemistry. Okay, this should be very much clear. Okay, now, and we just saw that our body is consist of cell, of course. Then these cell make uh, tissue, then that tissue make organ, that organ make organ system, the complete process. In biochemistry, like there's atom which make molecules, molecule make compound, then mixture and dissolve. Okay, this is a complete cycle and dissolve. So in this we are looking. Now in this chapter you will find few more terms, like you will find the term which is protoplasm. Protoplasm, if you don't know what exactly this term means, if this the cell, here is the nucleus, here is the nucleus, here you will find other parts, the organelles as well. So protoplasm is simply cytoplasm. Cytoplasm plus nucleus, nucleoplasm, nucleoplasm. So cytoplasm is a liquid part. We know that that should be very much clear. Liquid part of the cell. When it's, if it's liquid part, and we know our cell is like 70% it's a watery, just because there's cytoplasm, and cytoplasm is consists of water. So cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm, like this area. Wait, this cytoplasm, like this one part, this complete cytoplasm, and here the nucleus, this nucleus around all this trunk is a nucleoplasm. So nucleoplasm plus cytoplasm, which would be named as protoplasm. This should be very much clear. Okay, so now you will find some more term in this chapter, like this the only basic things which we are discussing. If this the cell, here you will find that cell with water. Cell with water. Of course, this made up of the like cell and cytoplasm. Cytoplasm consists of water. So cell with water would be known as wet. Wet means gila, or like we just call this from as a not dry but having a water. So this would be known as wet weight. Weight means, of course, you know, I'm sure. Weight, weight, wet weight. Okay, this might be a little confusing, where they have the same pronunciation but different meaning, by the way. And when you will see cell, which will become dry, when it will become dry, like if this the cell, this have water, if I just dry this water or just evaporate, or I just provide them heat, evaporate, when it will be evaporate, the water will be removed. So this again, it will be like without that watery, it would be known as something like that weight would be known as dry weight. So here is cell without dry, like without dry, or when you provide them heat without weight, that weight is known as dry weight. We just say dry weight divided by biomolecule, dry weight divided by biomolecule. So cell without water is known as dry weight. Okay, this should be clear. And you will study one more thing. Wait, dry weight